First of all, I would like to say congratulations on your purchase. You are now the proud owner of a method guaranteed to bring you traffic. So get started by opening your email package for the C.L.A.S.S 101 method. But before you continue, I want to make sure you watch this video. Your purchase of C.L.A.S.S 101 will be more complete if you add the advanced C.L.A.S.S 202 method, the C.L.A.S.S 202 classified feed creation method to your order. Yes, introducing C.L.A.S.S 202. C.L.A.S.S 202 is classified feed creation. So how would you like to create even more classified ads that spread your ads all over the internet using advanced XML feeds to promote your classified ads? Well, that's exactly what C.L.A.S.S 202 classified feed creation does. With this package, you will easily create ads that reach up to 27 times more people across the internet. And here's how it works. So I have a C.L.A.S.S 202 feed conversion video begin, and in it is the same exact template that you have in C.L.A.S.S 202, just a copy. So you can have an extra copy to work on, edit, and make mistakes on. It won't matter because you already got it. So let me delete these, for example, because that was just me creating a few files. Action. The way it works is you already have your templates with your ads in them. So you know what's already in there, right? So the next step is to convert some of those tabs into CSV files and have this program called Excel to CSV. So what you do is you double click Excel to CSV, and everything must be in the same folder with this program for it to work. But basically the way it works is fairly simple. You select the Excel spreadsheet that you want to work with. Then you have a drop down menu of the tabs you want to work with. So if I were to choose OLX jobs, for example, I would click export to CSV and name it the same as the tab. Click save and watch. In about a second you have a CSV file. And there it is. So it took a lot less time to save. There's the CSV file. Once it's saved to CSV, you wanna convert it to an XML file. You double click on this program called CSV to XML, How Original. And once it opens, this is what it looks like. So the first thing you do is you load the CSV file. For example, OLX jobs. Boom. And if there's no errors, it'll show you all the columns on the left-hand side. I'll tell you why in a second. For each row, you can type in a record level tag. For the top level document, you can write the top level tag. And this is the page where I tell you which tags those are. So in particular for OLX, the top level tag is ADS, and for each individual row it's AD, and that's what that means. This is OLX. This is exactly how you type it in. You select the CData tags that are necessary. Just the title and description in this one. And click Save as XML. I like to save it with the same name, except it's going to have an XML extension. And all of a sudden, there it is, XML file. And finally, the last thing we need to do if you follow the steps is we need to make sure the tags, the top level tags, are inserted correctly. So here's a program, C.L.A.S.S XML tag creator. You double click on that, has to be in the same folder, and it opens up asking you, is this a Google Merchant feed, yes or no? If you created a Google Merchant feed, you should choose yes. In this case, we select no, click OK, select our XML file, and just watch. Complete. In that amount of time, whatever tags needed to be added, it'll add at the very top. It says check with Notepad. So again, I open with Notepad, and as you can see at the very top, that's all we need. C data tags are inserted already. C data tags are inserted already for every row that requires it. So that's all it takes to create a feed. And all you need to do next is simply upload to your required website. And yes, I do have a manual that kind of explains the process in a little more detail if you decided to purchase. And I do go into it in a little more detail, a little slower, just kind of make sure you understand how to use these tools. But these tools help you create XML feeds in lightning speed instead of doing them manually, which is nothing wrong with doing it manually, but this is just another option. Thank you for watching. So, if you want to add dozens or hundreds more classified ads with less work, and you want to spread your ads across more of the internet, for example, on special classified sites that get massive traffic, like a little site called Google Merchants, and much more, then get the package that teaches you to do it. That's Class 202, which is the classified feed creation method. Learn step by step in detail how to create these specialized classified ads in XML format. Learn how and where to distribute them to spread your ads online and across the internet like a virus. Simply click the Add to My Order button below this video. And here's what you get with the ebook. You get an Excel spreadsheet template worth a $97 value. You get a video overview and instructional where you can look over my shoulder and watch me show you how to create the classified feeds, also a $97 value. You get an actual XML file example for you to dissect and study closely so you understand what it is you're trying to create. And that's about a $26 value. And most of all, you get an email follow-up and explanation sequence, which goes into a little more detail so I don't leave you hanging, and that's about a $55 value. Total package value comes out to be about $275. However, you get it now not for $275, not even for $175, not for $97. No.
You can get it now for just yes, get it now for the discounted price of simply by clicking the Add to My Order button below this video.